right, what is up, everybody? Chris Gallo, happy Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions Friday. We are highlighting the funding portion of our company today, visiting a site that we just recently funded. This is a new construction project, and let me tell you, as you can start to see in the background, this baby is gorgeous. We're down here in Tiverton, Rhode Island, and we can't wait to go inside and see what this borrower has done. Let's go. Folks, I will tell you this though, before we even enter the house, I can already tell you the attention to detail is beautiful. Look at this. Look at the design of this colonial, this brand new colonial. It's one-car garage. It's got the shepherd hook lighting. It's got the two-tone black and white. We got the black railings in the porch. It's just beautifully done. It looks very, very nice. Very good street curb appeal. I'm very excited to get in and see what we got here. So let's go inside and check this baby out. I'm told it's 100% done. Actually, it was on the market and it's actually under agreement and sold, happening this week. So I'm excited to walk in and see what we got. Let's go. All right, guys, as we enter the house, wow, look at what I am met with, folks. This place looks gorgeous. Okay, let's walk around and see what we got. Looks to me like this is a little dining room area in here. I like the light fixtures, light bright. Look at the floors, beautiful. Looks like we got a little coat closet in here, which is nice. And immediately look at the poles. Solid wood doors, beautiful black poles. Look at the trim. Look at the fixture and the detail going up the railings, going up the stairs. On this side now, it looks like we have a beautiful built-in gas fireplace. Here's my living room area here. I'm looking at a big, beautiful, wide-open kitchen. Look at that beautiful hood. I see the pot filler, stainless steel package, big island. He did a great job so far. This place looks awesome. The crown molding, attention to detail, the light fixtures there. This place is looking fantastic. My view out the back is very private. I got a nice deck right here, AZAC, all brand new. Yeah, very well done. Let's go check out what we have down here as well. Looks like we have a cute little pantry area here. This looks really nice. This is our first floor full bath. Okay, like this a lot. You can check out the beautiful detail there, glass doors, tile, new fixtures. Love that, even love the tile there. Looks like a little entryway here, closet, and here's your garage. Garage is looking nice, finished, nice good sized garage. It looks like a single door, but oversized. Okay, I like that a lot. As we walk through the rest of the house, we'll get to the finished basement in a minute. We're back through the living room. Let's go upstairs and see what we got up here. As I walk up the stairs again, I'm just looking at this attention to detail. Railings are beautiful. This guy has done a fantastic job here. At the top of the stairs, I'm met with a beautiful laundry room. I like that a lot. This looks like double vanity. This looks like the main bathroom to service the rest of the bedrooms up here. Glass, black fixtures, looking really sharp in here. A lot of space. Yeah. And as we look here, we got bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom. Okay. Beautiful. Looks like we have a closet right here leading into bedroom number 2. Beautiful size. Yep, here's your closet right here at the top of the stairs. And now it looks like we go to the master. So let's check out this master. Okay, so it's bright. I love the light fixtures. It's bright. It's beautiful. I envision the bed being in the center of the room. Beautiful light, natural light. And as we walk down the hall here, it looks like we have walk-in closet this way. Looks like there's his and hers closet. This is his probably, and this is hers, or vice versa. And then here you go. Beautiful master bath here. Look at the attention to detail, the gold fixtures, the black, the inlay on the tile, the glass. Look at the beautiful tile floor here. Double vanity. Yeah, this soaking tub looking beautiful. Okay, let's check out the rest of the house. Well, let's go see what we got going on in the basement. As I'm walking down the stairs here, looks like the floor's all finished down here, and it looks like we have a big, beautiful, unfinished basement. Here's all of our plumbing right here. Here's our brand new panel. And look, walkout basement ready for expansion. This is a huge selling point. It's built well. We got tile ceilings down here. We got our HVAC equipment here, a hot water tank as well, built-in sump pump. Everything's brand new, obviously, because this is new construction. Just look at the quality of the work. This is neat. This is so easy to sell these. It's ready for the new homeowner. And this could be a man cave, a woman cave, she shed, extra storage, whatever you want down here, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So, as we wrap up another site visit video down here in Tiverton, Rhode Island, man, I just want to shout out the borrower and say what a great job he did on this project. This is a beautiful new construction project that he asked us to fund. We actually funded this one and the one next door. They're both actually done and built and both under agreement. This one's actually selling this week. So just to recap, we just were very, very impressed by the level of attention to detail, the finishes, the openness, the space, and again, just from the walls to the flooring to the light fixtures to the fireplace to all the fixtures in the bathrooms to this beautiful kitchen. I'm just very, very happy for this borrower, and it's no surprise to us that this baby is already under agreement and selling this week. So remember, folks, for all your new construction needs, you call us first. For your single family flips, multifamily flips, and holds, you call us for those too. 5,000 to 500 square feet, we fund them all because we're flip and hold funding, hard money, made easy.